How to watch NFL Sunday tickets without blackouts. Blackouts with NFL Sunday ticket can be frustrating because they happen when a game is being shown on your local CBS or Fox station. By default, Sunday ticket only gives you out of market games, so if your local team is playing, that game will be blacked out on a Sunday ticket and you will have to watch it on regular broadcast. But there are a few legitimate ways to get around this limitation. If you're on YouTube TV plus Sunday ticket, blackouts are less of an issue because YouTube TV already includes your local CBS and Fox channels. That means if a game is blacked out on Sunday ticket, you can just switch over and watch it live through YouTube's TV local network stream. Everything is in the app, so it feels seamless. If you're using the standalone YouTube version of Sunday Ticket, you'll still get blackouts. To fix this, you will need to access to your local broadcast stations. The simplest way is by pairing it with either a free over-the-air antenna or by using a live TV streaming service like YouTube TV, Hulu, or Like TV. That way, between Sunday tickets and your locals, you'll never miss a game. So that's all for today. Thank you.